my name is Aaron. I'm a copywriter in the advertising industry. I'm rating Google Sheets, and I would give it 4 stars. And for more reviews like this, click below. All right, so I started using Google Sheets as soon as I discovered it because and stuck with it because you can collaborate and it's integrated with my Google email, and so the fact that it's all integrated makes it nice. I used to use Excel, still do occasionally, but almost like 95% of the time I'm in Google Sheets because of the fact that I can share. Yeah, you can now share Office documents, but it's kind of clunky and it's just not as intuitive. And the whole Google universe, everything is integrated, and that's a big value. I like Google Sheets. There's all kinds of plugins. They're not called plugins. I think they're called add-ons. Yeah, there are all kinds of add-ons. So I can keep data in Google Sheets, like names and addresses, and then I can use an add-on to mail merge through my Gmail account. So that's really handy. And I can make a graph in Google Sheets, and I just copy it and paste it into Google Slides, and it will not just paste it, it'll actually link it. So if I change the data on Sheets, then it'll automatically update it on Slides. I can also paste a graph into a Google Doc, same thing, and vice versa. I can paste things back and forth, and they're always linked. So if I change something, it's integrated. So in the beginning, I'm an early adopter, and I had to convince people to use Google Sheets and not email other spreadsheets back and forth. But as soon as people kind of understood the power of real-time online collaboration, after initially, getting people to create a Google account if they didn't have one, and start using shared data on Google Sheets, as time went by, more people started using it. It got easier. But even now, some people still want to email a spreadsheet. You can do that. You can just email it directly from Google Sheets, or you can download as an XLSX, and then you can email that too. I think it kind of like if you're working independently, go ahead and use whatever tool you want. But it's important to use a tool that the rest of the people you work with are likely to also be comfortable using. And in the case of Google Sheets, I think you'll find a lot of people are. If they're already using Gmail, very easy for them to use Google Sheets because you just click a button, open, it's all integrated. So that's one of the great things about it.